This conference will now be recorded.
Anybody has any problem in creating an XML doc or to understand XML structures and everything, right? For the last two classes, we are doing the same thing. This is the third class of XML, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, third class. Friday and Saturday, sorry, Thursday and Friday, we will discuss about deserialization. 1 week for XML. Monday onwards, we'll start protocol. That's where you will be able to see live integrations. Next week onwards, enough of playing tukur in the right net practice. Enough of net practice. Next Monday onwards, we will go live. We'll start integrating things. Right? 2 more weeks for your class to an end. By this, it will be 1 month integration class. We are already in the second or third week. Are we in the second week or third week? We're in the third week, if I'm not wrong, right? Yes? No? When did we started the integration class? Somebody remember the date?
July 1st.
June 28th, sir.
June 28th. Okay, so second week. So another 2 more weeks, 1 month integration, right? Now let's go ahead without wasting the time. Today, we will see dynamic XML creation. Dynamic XML creation, right? For that, let me log in Rupam @ of91.com.
Sir, URL is LT96.
Oh, on the top it's wrong. Login.salesforce.com, right? Rupam @ of91.com. Password INDIA1234#. Please go on mute. Right, I see that there are some mics still being unmuted. Please go on mute. That's good. Now, till yesterday, we have been creating trees with static data. The data which are fixed. Name, KCR, right? Name, label, CM. CM is the label, value is the KCR. Trunk, root. We started giving our own names, right? Srikant, please be on mute. Right? Srikant Kavuri. Mute, please. Thank you. Right. So, till yesterday, I've been giving the data, what do you call it? Static, fixed data. Now, I want system to create dynamically the data from account, from contact, from account and contact. Let's do it today and see how to do this. Right? Setup, developer console, right? Developer console. Let's me close everything. Do you want to save it? I don't know whether Ram, Rupam, okay, save, close. Make it big, expand. There's a zoom there, I don't know, plus 100%, okay? 100 is enough, right? Okay, 110, perfect. File, new Apex class, CL underscore INT underscore 1507 underscore EG1 underscore XML dynamic XML dynamic ACCOUNT. Now this is the class. Public class name. We will be creating dynamically, right? So what I will do, as usual, my output public string what? XML string. I'm giving the name of the variable as HTML string. You can give any name, your wish. That's just a variable. I will say set get. You can type even get set also. I always in the real time also we type set get. So I am habitual of typing set get. There is no rule that you have to write only get set get. I have already told you this in the development classes. Get set. Perfectly fine. Now I can write a method. If I write a method, in that case, I have to write a button because method will be called by the button. Rather than writing method, that's the reason I'm writing a constructor. Public constructor. Constructor is as the class name. Today we'll write a method also. Don't worry. Same program I'll copy in the method. This is a constructor. In the constructor, that means at the time of initialization, as you call this class, at the time of initialization itself, everything will run. Right? So what I'm doing, I'm pulling the data. List of what? List of account. List of account. What is that? I will say ACC equals to, I will write an SQL query. Select what are the data you want to send it to third party system. Select name, comma phone, comma industry from account table. From account. Now there are 36 account. I'll get a big banyan tree. If this is such a big tree, then I can't handle the tree. So I'm saying limit 5. Pull only 5 accounts. In the tree, 5 branches. We can handle 5 branches, no? So 5. So what I did, I just pulled the data and I stored where? I stored in account. Now I will start my real work. I'll start creating my DOM. I'll start creating my DOM. That means XML. How to create that? DOM dot document. We always say doc. That's the official name that we use. Equals. You can give A, B, C, D, doc, D, your wish. That's a variable. New DOM dot document. Nobody should get confused because for the last 2 days I've been doing this. First step is done. Now the first thing is that you have to add a root. DOM dot XML node. Second step is that root. Root. Can I give something else? Yes, you can give something else. Can I say R? Yes, you can. It's a variable. Equals to on the doc to the document. The root I'm adding to the document creates. Create what? ROT. Root. ELEMENT. Create root element. It has 3 variables. First name of the variable. I'll say account. Root itself is account. This whole tree is account tree. It's account tree. Root is account. Root is account. Null comma null. No namespace. I don't want a label to be there. So null comma null. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Right? Create root element. That's gone. Error is gone. Next. In the root element, I want to add branch. On the branch, I want to add fruit. One root, one branch, fruit. Minimum is what? Root is must. Minimum ఒక stem ఉండాలి కదా. ఆ stem la fruits. For example, right? Take a banana. Root is there, one stem is there, and from there the banana comes out. That is the minimum for a tree. Here also minimum. One root. If you want to add more root, your wish. If you add more root, whoever is receiving this file, he will be breaking his head. Why so much roots are there? Right? Your wish. Branches. You can add 100 branches, but you can add 5 trunks. One trunk divide into 2. Again the trunk divide into another 2. From there create one branch. From there another. You can. XML is user defined. You can create your own tree, but don't try to make it complicated. Try to keep it simple because others who are reading, they shouldn't scold you saying that which idiot has created this. So root. On the root, I will add one branch. On the root, I will add one branch. On the branch, I'll add a fruit. That's it. So to add now, right? I will have one branch, one fruit, or one branch, all the fruits. There are two options I have. I have two options. Paint, paint. Once again, I'm trying. This is all you have to decide. In real time also, you have to decide, right? Nobody will tell you in the real time saying that, right? But if somebody asks you, you should be in a position. So first I created one root. I'm creating the root. Here is the root. Root created. Done. Now, how should I create a tree? I want from here, right? One branch will appear directly from here. Okate root, Karyapaku. From one root, right? So many plants will come out. And each plant I will add one fruit. Here one fruit. Here one fruit. In this, another fruit. In this, another fruit. One branch, one fruit. I can do that. One branch, one fruit. Here also one fruit. This is one tree. Another tree. Second type of tree. I can draw. Root. Root is common. For every tree, root is common. Without a root, you cannot have a tree. So root, no, for root, no compromise. For root, no compromise. Right? Root. Now I will say only one branch, and in that all fruits. In that all fruits. In stem only fruit, like a banana. Sorry, jackfruit. In the stem only all fruit. Like this. So my question is that what type of tree I want, right? That means to get the fruit, one branch, all fruit. Here, one branch, one fruit. Here, one branch, all fruit. Here, one branch, one fruit. These are the two tree structure I have, right? Which one we should choose? Let's go by the first. Now let me go by this tree. From the root, 2-3 stems, 4-5 stems will come out. Each stem is an individual tree, or you can make it as you want, right? So let us go by this. I want the branches, right? That means total how many accounts I'm pulling? 5. How many branches will be there? 5 branches. In each branch, one account details will be hanging. Name, phone, industry is one fruit. It will be hanging in branch 1. In second branch, name, phone. So 5 accounts, 5 branch. 5 branches. The tree has a root. In that root, 5 stem will come out. 5 stems are also branch, right? Trunk is also branch. Thicker branch is called trunk. That's it. Otherwise, it's also a branch only. So what do you want to do is the question. Let's do this. So I will take what? For loop. For. Because system has to create automatically the branch. I shouldn't be creating one by one. So for what? ACCOUNT account. Each account, for each account. From where? From this list ACC. One data will be each account. Right. What I will do now, I will create a branch. DOM dot again XML node. Everything is a node. Equals to what? DOM dot XML node equals to what? I will say, right, branch or trunk. You say anything. I don't mind. From the root directly branches coming out, or from the root directly trunk is coming out. Meaning is same. BRANCH branch equals to. I have to add this branch to where? To the root. ROT root dot add, right? Root dot. What I will do, I will not say create, I will say add child element. Child, element, add child element. What is this? I will say root is accounts. Root is accounts, multiple. Here I will say each fruit is account. Each branch is called account. In that branch, the data will be hanging. Comma null, comma null. Null, comma null. I'm not giving XML naming system, null, comma null. Perfect. System is creating, right? Now to each one of them, that means one branch will be created. Account is the root. On that tree, there are 5 branches called account, account, account. In each branch, I have to have the fruit in the branch. In the branch, the fruit has to be attached. Branch dot set what? Set attribute. I'm attaching the fruit. Key, what is that? Key is the name field, right? Name, right? You can give in that. I don't want to disclose my internal. I will say ACC. I will say ACC name, ACC OUNT account name, right? Or okay, let it be name. It's a label. You can give anything. Where is the value? Value is EA dot name. EA dot name. One fruit attached to the branch. Same on the branch, I will attach one more fruit. 2, 3. Branch dot. So one branch will contain one account. It's good, no? In one branch only, if you attach 3 names, then you'll be confused. Which name, which phone number belongs to whom? That is the reason. Okka comma one fruit. One fruit is containing these many details. E dot name, E dot phone, each account. Right, all the data that is stored in ACC one by one is called each account, right? Name, phone, industry. Over. So what the system will do, if there are 5 accounts, system will create 5 branches. In one branch, it will attach the details of one account. Once it is done, over, right? My XML string, I have to get the output. XML string is equals to, where is my output? My output is in the my whole is the spot. Pot is doc dot to XML string. Over. Khatam. If there are 100 accounts, 100 branches will be created. In one branch, one account details will be hanging, right? In that, name will be hanging, phone will be hanging, tree will be hanging. It's easy. Okka branch, if you cut it and take it, then you'll get the complete details of that account. It will not be messy. If it will not be messy. Which type of structure is good? This is good because in one fruit, again there are 5 details are there. Account name is XYZ. Phone is 777, fax is 888, industry is banking, right? See, andike one branch, one fruit, because fruit has details. But suppose in one branch only I put all the fruits, then what will happen? Again the fruits, right? Fruits will have details and the details will get confusion. That is the reason it's better that I create separate branch. This is the right way to do this. This is the right way. This is the right way. Whenever data contains data, then this is the tree you have to follow. Whenever it's a single data, only suppose I have a name KCR, I have right, KCR, prime, all the chief ministers, right? KCR, Mr. Thackeray from Maharashtra, right? Kejriwal from Delhi. I want Kejriwal, Thackeray, KCR, Yadurappa, Karnataka. In such case, this tree is better. Second tree is better. But suppose you want Kejriwal's phone number, Kejriwal's fax number, Kejriwal's wife name, son name. That means along with Kejriwal, I want his details. In such case, first tree is better. Along with the account, I'm taking account phone, fax, industry, then this tree is better. This tree is better. One tree will be one branch. In this tree, one branch will be one CM. And in that, the fruits are hanging name, phone, fax. So this is Kejriwal. In this Kejriwal phone, Kejriwal fax, Kejriwal, let's say that wife name, Kejriwal's son's name, it's handing. Next, this is Yadurappa. Let's assume Yadurappa's name, Yadurappa's phone, Yadurappa's email. It's easy. One branch. So you have to choose the tree that you want. So that's exactly what I did. Control S. Now let us see the output. File.
Line number
New.
14.
Sorry.
Line 14 and 15, we did not change the attribute name.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Phone. I will say mobile here. I will say industry. I will say company type. I don't want to disclose my internal system field name. So company type. Control S. Perfect. Now file new Visual Force page. In the place of CL, I'm saying VF. Done. Now what I'll do, I'll say controller. Controller equals to class name. I'm connecting this Visual Force page to my class. Control S. Now directly I will call the field. Exclamation, which field? Get set. Get set is XML string. Control S. Go and see the output. Right? Where's the preview button? I'm not getting the preview button. I should get a preview button here, no?
Sir, your Visual Force lo try చేశారు Apex component.
You gave components and it's Apex page.
Oh, I created a file. New Visual Force page. Sorry, my mistake. I created a component there. Okay, by the way, I'll show you component also how to create. అది ఏదో వచ్చేసింది కదా, I'll show you, don't worry. Right? VF. అదే చూస్తున్నాను ఎందుకు రావట్లేదని. Right? Okay. Apex page. Preview is there. Increase the zoom. 80, 90, 100. Right? Controller. Controller. Control C. Controller. Field name. Exclamation. Control S. Preview. See the output. Oop. Ooh. What is this, you know? Because phone numbers are null. This is one which is creating problem everywhere. I hate this. One minute, let me close this developer console. Okay. Account where, okay, WHE where, PHONE phone not null. Phone not null, limit 5. Right, phone, what happened? Phone expecting in but was phone not phone Okay, Control S. Go ahead. Phone not equals to null. Blank. I don't want anything. Right now, let's go ahead and refresh the page. You will get the output. Still, there is a blank phones are there. Okay, let's do one thing. Name we are entering. Phone. Phone is phone. Phone. Phone.
Not equal to.
Phone not equals to. Will it take this? Okay, let's see. Control S. Because phone number is being null, system is not only that. Even some places we have not given industry and INDUSTRO industry. We will handle it. Don't worry. Industry is not equals to null. Industry also not equals to null. Control S. Control S. Industry not equals to null. Oh, we got output. See, it was because somewhere the industries are not there, somewhere the phone are not there. Now you see, this is the data that I got. I'm giving 5 account. 5 account. I'm transferring to whom? To Facebook. They want in XML. This is the way I'll give in XML. This is the file I'll give them. See, right? Let us check it out. First, done. Root account. Accounts is the root. Next, account name. This account name. Okay, 1 minute. Next, second account. Right? Next, third account. Next, fourth account. Next, fifth account. And then account close. Sorry. See. Account name equals to Rupam Tech. Mobile 777. Company equals to this. Account name VF2 Amravati Private Limited. Mobile 888999. Company banking. Number 3. People Tech 5. Mobile number 888. Next, People Tech 4. Next, VTech 1 Vizag Limited. Phone number is this. So that 5 different accounts got pulled. One root, 5 branches. Each branch is holding a data. One root, 5 branches. One root, 5 branches. See, this is the way I'll give them. This is the way I'll give them. This is the way I'll give them. Accounts, account. This is my complete tree now. You can see the tree structure. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of this tree. Control C. Come to my right. Okay, any PPT. New slide I'm taking. New PPT. New PPT. Wait. Blank. Control V. This is my tree. Oh, 1 minute. Let me make the tree small first. Oh, okay. Let me make the tree small. Right. This is my tree. See that up. Right. This is my tree. This is my tree. Tree. This is a tree. Where is my ground? Right. This is the root and above the branches. Right. This is the ground. The root is here. Root. Where are the branches, Rupam? Right. The branches are like this. This is the first branch. First branch. First branch. This is the first branch. Shape no fill. Shape outline. brown dash one stem, second stem. This is the second stem. Is that? This is the third one. Five branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm making the tree. See. Okay. Now it will be good. Right. This is the tree. This is the first branch. Okay. This is the first branch, second branch, third, fourth, 5 branches. Exactly this diagram that I wanted. 1, 2, 3. 3. If 4, 5, that means this is the fourth branch, the fifth also from the root. See, did I got the same structure? Yes, you got the same structure. Same structure you got it. Control C, paint, Control V. Have I got the same structure? Yes, I got the same structure. You can compare. Root is below. Branch, in the branch itself, data is attached. One branch. You can see now. Output. Tree structure. Second exercise. Let's do one more. Account with contacts. Accounts with contacts. So one branch, this one branch again will have. So what I'm going to do? This all clear? That's perfectly fine. Control Z. So what I'm going to do? I have to create a tree. Account with contact. Can I take it like this? Oh, let me draw it. Root. What I want, I'm just first drawing the tree that I want. Root. On that root, I have multiple branches. 1 branch, 2 branch. On the same tree, 3, 4, 5 branches. In each branch is one account. In each branch, again I want to attach one more branch. Actually 2 or 3 branches. The account is, this is the first account. A1. In this, all the details will be there. Here, contact 1, C1, C2, contact 2. And then the fruits are hanging. Contact first name, contact last name, contact email. Account name is ABC Vizag Limited. Phone number 777, energy 888. That ABC Vizag Limited has 3 contacts, then 3 sub branches. Similarly, this is A2, A3, A4, A5. A2. Account 2. This is account 3, A3. Account 2 doesn't have any contact. Okay. Account 3 has 1 contact and 1 branch. Account 3 has 4 contacts. See that from the like this. I want to create a tree. I want to create this type of tree. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Right? Everybody is able to understand what is my output I'm expecting. Right? So I'm closing this. File. New. Apex class. CL underscore int underscore eg2 underscore xml dynamic is account contact ACCCON class. As usual, my output is what? Public string XML string. Get set get. You can write in any way. Control S. Oh, error. No. No error. Perfectly fine. Every time I was writing set get, now I'm writing get set. You can write in that way also. Every time I was using constructor, now I will not use constructor. Public void ABCD. Public void ABCD. My method name is ABCD. Right? Don't give such stupid names in real time. Give some meaningful name. Okay. Right. ABCD. Now, what I will do first, I have to pull list of account along with list of contact. Keep on watching. List of account. List of account. List of account. ACC. My list name is ACC equals to. I have to write a query now. Select. What are the things you need? Name, comma, industry. 2 is enough. Name, comma, industry, comma, phone. Okay, let's take 3. Phone, comma, industry, industry, comma, right? Wait. From account. Where phone is not equals to null and industry not equals to null, because I'll get a null error. Limit 5. Everybody perfect. This will pull what? This will pull account. Control S. This will pull account data. No issues. Account, I want contact also. I will put in the bracket. Comma. What I want? Select. I'm writing subquery. I'm writing nested query. Select last name, comma, first name, comma, email from where? From contacts. Contact or contacts? From contact.
Contact.
But again, the problem is that there's a null. Okay. Ee null padgano. In Telangana, that's a very famous dialogue, right? Every time this null will create a problem. Let's do one thing. Now again I have to say where. In a contact, last name is compulsory, so it cannot be null. Email can be null. First name can be null. If you don't put first name, it's not a compulsory field. Then again I have to say where first name is not null, last name is not null, right? First name is not null, last name is not null. Let's do one thing, guys. Let us clean up the complete data. Let us clean up the complete account data. Is it okay? Or do you want me to write where email is not equals to null, and last name anyhow will not be null, because without a last name you can't create a contact, so that will be always there. First name can be null, where first name not equals to null. Such a big SOQL query I have written. Control S. Saved. I will get what? I will get name, phone, industry, last name, first name, email. I pulled my data. Everybody understood what I'm doing? Yes or no? Tell me, guys, able to understand? Yes, everyone? account should have a contact data, right? That means next time, let me do one thing. Let's go here. Let's open view all. All right. Let's go to the sales. Let's open account. It was pulling what earlier? What are the things it has pulled? It has pulled Rupam Tech V. I don't know from where it pulled. Rupam Tech V. Rupam Tech, right? Mobile number is 777. Is it this Rupam Tech? Let me see. No. In this, I don't see the phone as 777. Okay. What else it has created? VF2 Amravati Private Limited. Where is VF2 Amravati Private Limited? Here it is. VF2 Amravati Private Limited. Phone number 8989. Does it has any contact? There are contact 0. Let me create some contact. Contact name. New contact I'm creating. Right. Mr. Right. Satya Murthy. Email address. satya@satya.com. Create. So VF Amravati has one contact. New. VF Amravati has another contact. Mrs. Varalakshmi. Last name V. Venkata Varalakshmi. Email address v@v.com. Because when Amravati is pulled, now my problem, why I'm telling you to delete all this data, because I don't know which one will it pull. If it pulls JP2, there is no contact. If it pulls JP1, then there is no contact. Right? I cannot create a contact. I don't know. Randomly system will pull. I have to say ascending by this, descending by this, and then pull. So because I'm saying select, it is pulling. Which account will have contact? I don't know. That was the reason I was proposing to delete everything, create 2 or 3 accounts, and only 3-4 accounts, and then use it in the programming. Right? That was my proposal. But let's see. If it doesn't work, then we'll go by that proposal. Fine. Next. After this, same copy paste work. DOM document. Doc equals to new. DOM dot document. First step. Next. DOM dot XML node root. You can give any name. Root is equals to, on the doc, create root element. Everyone knows it. Create root element. Right? Create root element. Right? I will say what? Accounts. Same thing I'm taking. Same example. ACCOUNTS. Root is accounts. On that, there'll be account child. Now, every account should be 1 branch or 1 trunk, whatever you say. Right? For that, I will say for. Same program what I just did a few minutes back, I'm doing it again, redoing the same program again. Account, each account, from where? From ACC. From ACC, every account that's come, there'll be 5 in there because we have limit 5. 1 by 1 ACC. Now, what I will do first, I will add a branch. DOM dot XML node. What is that? I will say branch or trunk. Branch equals to root dot. I have to add the root dot add child elements. Child element. After the root, everything is child element. Above the root, trunk is also a branch, right? Trunk is also a branch, stem is also a branch is also a branch, right? Remember this. Thick branch are called stem. That's it. Even actually that is also a branch. So everything is child element. Here, what is that? Account. Comma null, comma null. Null, comma null. Null, comma null. Here also null, comma null. Who will do that? Null, comma null. Perfect. Null, comma null. Now, what is this? Right? First, to this branch, let me add the fruits first. What would account? Then I will add the contact on the branch. What I will say? Branch dot. Branch dot. Branch dot. Set attribute. What is that? Name equals to what? EA dot name. EA dot name. Copy. Copy. What are the things that I want? Right. Name. Then I will say mobile. I will say EA dot phone. Then I will say industry here. I will say, right. I will say, right. I will say nature of business. Nature of business is industry. Fine. Now it is not over. Right. Suppose now I have to add the contact. I have to add one more branch, guys. This. Here I have added the fruit details. Name. I've added the details. I've added the fruit. But then again I have to add another branch and then I have to add fruits to it. If there are two contacts, two. If there are four contacts, four branches has to be added. Oh. So I will say what? I will take if keep on looking on it. If this is first time I'll be doing something very different programming. If E okay, anyhow I'm in this for loop. I'm inside the for loop. Okay. EA dot EA dot what? Contacts. Because this is a separate bracket. I can call this whole separate bracket as EA dot contacts. If EA dot contacts if EA dot contacts dot size is greater than 0. Suppose there is a contact, then only add branch. If there is no contact, don't add branch. If EA dot contacts dot size is greater than 0, then only add a branch. Then only I will add one more branch. I'm adding a one more branch. How do I add a branch? This is the branch 2 I'm adding now. Control C, Control 2. I will say branch 2. I will say branch 2. What is that? I will say contact. Contacts. More than one is there. One branch will get added. Contacts. Right? If the contact, that means in the select statement, if you have more than 0, then only branch 2 will get added to the tree. Branch 2 in the root, right? In the root. Shall I add it to the root? No. Where should I should be adding it? Right? I should be adding it to what? Right?
Branch.
I should be adding to the branch. branch, not to the root. So that on the branch, I'm adding branch 2. On the branch, I'm adding branch 2. Able to understand, guys? Yes or no? Right? I'm adding to the branch. I'm not to the root. I'm not adding separate branch, because if in the root, on the root, I will not add one green branch called contact. No, this has to be added to here. Already the branch is existing. You see that the branch is already existing. On the branch, I have to add this. I have to add, if there are 2 contacts, 2 branches. Sub branches I'm adding. That is the reason, see that on the main branch, branch 2 equals to branch dot. On the branch, this is the second branch I'm adding. Branch dot add. What is that? Contacts. 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 Now, there could be more than one contact. Then I have to add, right, all those details one by one. There can be 2 contacts, 3 contacts, 4 contacts, 4 branches has to be created. Right? Again, I will say for loop. Inside this for loop. For what? For every contact, what is that? C. I'm saying C. Each C is to what? Right? EA dot contacts. From the EA dot contacts, EA is what? EA is ACC. In the ACC, you have 2 splits because there's a bracket. EA dot contacts. EA dot contacts. For each, right, from EA dot contacts, 111 will be called as EC. Now I will add what? I will add to this branch 2. I will add one more sub branch. Add guys, can you hear me? Sorry, there was a power loss. Suddenly the net got disconnected. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, same thing I'll do. What I will do, right? To this branch 2, right? I will start adding what? Right? So branch 2 got added to the branch. Now to this branch 2, what I will do? I will go ahead and I will add, right, fruits to be contacts to be hanging. So I have to add those, right? I have to add those. Okay, my son is here creating disturbances. Right? Go down. Right. Okay, there we go. Right, guys, able to understand what I'm doing? Maybe this is something very, deep level programming I'm doing. For me, it's all easy. It is all you who have to feel it, whether it's easy or hard. Right? You're able to understand what I'm doing. I'm attaching both contacts and account in a single go. Getting it? That's what we are doing it. We are attaching contacts. So what happened now? For every contact, if it's more than, only when it's greater than 0, that means minimum 1 is there, 2 is there. If it's 0, it will not add the branch. It will not even come to this line, if line. It will not even come to the if statement. Only when there is a single contact exists, immediately system will attach a branch 2 to the main branch. In the account branch, it will add. On that branch, what I will do, Once again, I'll attach. Those are contacts. On that, I will say contact. What? I will say not branch, I will say twig. Twigs. TWIG. 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 Where I have to attach? I have to attach on branch 2. Branch 2. On the branch 2, I have to attach the twig. On the branch 2, I have to attach the twig. Right? I know that it's all getting a little bit confused, but this is how I'm building the tree. First, there's a root. On root, there is one branch. On that branch, right, all account informations are displayed. Then I'm attaching branch 2 only when there is a contact, and that is called contact branch. On that contact branch, I am adding the twigs. First twig. If there are 2 contacts are there will be 2 sub branches. Twigs. Sub branch, small, thin branch. Right? Thin branch. Everywhere I'm adding child element, child element, child element. Right? Everywhere I'm adding child element, child element, child element. Right? Able to understand? Branch 2. Perfect. In this, after adding, I want the fruit to be hanging. I will say in the twigs, the foot has to handle. Twig dot. Right? Twig dot. What is that? SET, set attribute. Set attribute. What is that? I will say first name. FIRST. First name. NAME. Equals to, here it's called EC. EC dot first name. EC dot first name. Next, how many are there? 3 are there. 3 information handling. Twig dot. Twig. You can say branch 3 also in the place of twig. Branch 3 is connected to branch 2. Your wish. I've just taken twig. Twig is nothing but one's thinnest branch. Last name. I want system to add the last name. Email. I want email to add. This is how we are deserializing. Account with contact. Account with contact. Control S. Let us see if I have any error or not. No error. No error. Saved. My program is done. My program is done. Is it a constructor? No. It's what? I created a method. File. New. Visual Force page. I remove CL. Put VF. Okay. I will say controller. Control equals to what? Control C. Control V. Control S. Right? Now, this is the reason I was taking constructor. To display this data, right? To display, right, this data, I have to now, because I have taken a method has to be called by what? Button. I can take command button or page block button. If I want to take a page block button, then I have to say APEX apex, right? I have to do long programming. APEX apex page block. That was the reason that I was taking a constructor. Apex page block. Inside the block, I have APEX apex page block section, page block section. Inside the section, right, I will have what? I will display. I'll display what? Right? Okay. I will say apex OUT output text, or let's take input text. What I put? Input text. INPUT input text. Right? Value equals to exclamation. Right? It has to be in a quotes. See, this time waste I don't want to do. That's the reason I've taken a constructor. XML string. ID. because re-render id equals to rr something. Next I want a button, apex CUMM command button value equals to what, right? See anything, it's a button name, convert convert. Action, here I have to call a method, here I have to call a method. Exclamation, where is my method name? ABC. Then re-render, re-render what? RRR. Re-render RRR. To avoid such long big programming, there was a problem. Let us see. What is that? Must occur between the tag. Occurs between the tag. Which one? Did I miss anything anywhere?
Farm, sir.
Right? Oh, because I have used the input, so input should be inside a form. That's also correct. apex form, right? Control X. That was the reason I was taking constructor, because if I take a method, then I have to, do such a long thing, right? Gone. Now you click preview. Convert. What am I getting? I'm getting nothing. Oh, so sad. I'm getting nothing. Huh? What happened? Controller is this?
XML string we have to define it, sir.
Given, no? Input
No,
value.
we are not passing the values to the XML string.
Doesn't make a difference, no? Input text. Input text. Input text. That's input text. Okay, let's do one thing.
Last class.
Oh, converted చేయలేదు మేము. Shit. Guys, it is blank. We have to write it right? Last, finally, where is this method? Method is ending here, right? Before the method ends, I have to say what? XML string equals to, main step you forgot. XML string equals to doc dot. You have to get the output, no? To XML string. Because XML string is blank. To XML string. Control S. This step we forgot. Finally, you have to get the output. You have to convert in a JSON also to string. Remember? After end writing, you have to write last step. Now let us go ahead and see. Refresh the page. Convert. See, you're getting. Oof. See output. Inside that, the text is, we will increase the text size. We will increase this text button, right? Space, number of columns, right? Size equals to 50. Control S. Preview. No, 50 is not enough. I will say equals to 200. Control S. That was the reason I was taking constructor by. Convert. See, width also have to increase. I can do with a method also, but if I do with a method, size rows, right? Size, style, tab, values, rows are there? No, because it's a field, no? So I will say output,
Maximum length.
1 minute.
Maximum.
Apex, INPUT, input text area I will take. Text area. I'm taking input text area. Then I should have number of columns. Columns equals to 8. Do I have a size in that? Let me see. Size is not there, row is there. Number of rows, there is nothing called size in that. Number of rows, rows will be 70, 80, 90, 100, 100 rows. 8, why 8 column? Okay, 8 column is enough. Control S. Right? Any problem? Input text area. What is the problem? So let's see. Unsupported size. I have removed size, no? I know that unsupported size. So I removed size. Unsupported attribute size. Yes, sir. I know there is no attribute called size. So I've removed it. Line number 5. Do you see size anywhere? No. I don't see size. There's a value. It's gone. See, it's taking so much time to save. Preview. Next time when you come, oof, column, column. Row, column I have given how much? Rows 100 is not required. 50 is enough. Column, 80. Control S. See, we are just wasting time here. Ante inke ledu. Right now. Convert. That was the reason I was taking a constructor and I was there. The output was coming directly. See, this is the way that we got the output. Control C. Let's check the output. As usual, first line is this. Account. Account is the root. First account name is this. Second account name is this. Now keep on watching. I'll make it full screen. In the second account, there is a contact. Inside the second account, there is a contacts. In that, there is a contact. Varalakshmi Venkata. One contact. You see that we created Satya, second contact. Then the contact ends. Then the next account start. Then the account ends. Then the new account start. Then the next account. In this also, do you have a contact? No, we don't have a contact. And finally, oh, this is how it's coming up. See the tree. Account, Rupam Tech. It doesn't have any contact. Account, VF2 Amravati. Account is starting. It's not ending. There is no ending tag. It's ending here. Then there are another branch called contact. In that, there are two contacts. First contact is Varalakshmi. So Varalakshmi Venkata belongs to VF2 Amravati. Satya Murthy belongs to VF2 Amravati. Then the contact end. Next account doesn't have any contact. Next account doesn't have any contact. See, People Tech 4, People Tech 5. I don't know. Vizag 1 T Limited. Shall we add? Go ahead and add it. Vizag T or something. Vizag Tech T Private Limited. This one, if I'm not wrong. Right? I go here. I go to contacts. No contacts. I'm adding a contact. Mr. Oh, sorry. Mr. Right? Ramesh Khan. Right? Email. If I don't put email, it will be removed because I said if an email is not null. So ramesh@ramesh.com. I'm adding only one. Only one. Next, People Tech 4. People Tech 4. People Tech 4. We will add to People Tech 4. People Tech 4. I'm going to account. In account, I'm looking for People Tech 4. People Tech 4. Here it is. I'm adding a contact. Let's assume that there are 3 contacts. You will get the data in that way. Mr. My prisoner, Mr. SALMN Salman Khan. Email salman@salman.com. I'll say save and new. Mr. Amir Khan. AMIR Amir KHN Khan. Phone number is 888. Let it be. Email amir@amir.com. Save and new. One more. Mr. Shahrukh Khan. All Khans I've added here. Right, I will say shahrukh@shahrukh.com. How many contacts are there now? You see that there are 3 contacts in People Tech 4. I come to my output. I refresh the page. I can write. Now I say convert. See, I got an XML. In real time, they will give you data like this. You have to deserialize it. Tomorrow class onward, deserialization. From this data, how can I take the data out? Deserialization. Now we are giving the data. We are giving the data. Now we are giving the data. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone? Yes. Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Right?
sir.
Everyone is
Sir.
able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Good, no? Right? So that's good. Right? So that's good. Now you see that you got the output. Same output. Right? Same output. Copy, Control C. This is how we'll give the data to others. Okay, I'll put the data on the top here. Now I'm pasting this one. This is how you'll get the data from real time, from XML output. This is how they will give you the XML output. Right? XML output. So in XML output, this is how you will get it. So whenever you get like this, then in that case, you have to go ahead and what you have to do, right? I have to go ahead and I have to deserialize it. For example, from currency converter local API. Okay, fine. Anyhow, right? I'll show you some examples which I can remember live. So now let's split it. Account. Next, account start. Account ends. VF2 has contact. It's not ending. VF2 has contact. Inside that, there are 2 contacts. First contact, second contact. Then the contact is ending. Then account is ending. Then second account. Second account doesn't have any contact. Then third account. Third account again has a contact. In that, this is the first, only one, right? Only one. No, it has 3 contacts. Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, Amir Khan. Salman, Shahrukh, Amir. Then the contact is ending. Then the account is ending. And then the next account. VF Tech. VF Tech has anything? Right? Yes, VF Tech also has a contact. See, it has this contact. Ramiz Khan. Contact closes. Account closes. The root close. This is the data. See, first account, Rupam Tech. Does it have any contact? No. Mobile number 777, entertainment. Second account, VF2 Amravati Private Limited. Mobile number is 888899. Nature of business is banking. Does it have any contact? Yes. Because it's starting here, it's ending here. Ending line. Ending means this backslash. Till the time I get a backslash, it's not ending. Account has started. Do you see anywhere it's ending? No, it's ending here. Inside this, you have contact. How many? 2 are there. Next account, People Tech 5, Any contact? No contact. Next account, people take 4. Any contact? Yes. How many? 3. Salma Khan, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Next account, does it have any contact? Yes. How many? 2. Only 1. Ramesh Khan. Then now account over, accounts over. Accounts is the root. See, trees, branches. This is a root. On that root, there's a one branch. On that branch, there is another branch called contact. On that, separate fruits are hanging. How I am giving the data? Dynamically. From the database I'm pulling, and I'm giving it dynamically. From the database I'm pulling, and I'm doing it what? Dynamically. I'm doing it what? I'm doing dynamically. Right? I'm doing dynamically. Clear now what I'm saying? Right? So see, this is how you'll get the output. Right? Let us see. Let us see. CURRENCY currency. CONVERT currency converter API. Let me see anybody gives us free currency convert currency layer. Let's go to this currencylayer.com because I'll be using this currency layer for integration. Right? They are giving in what? They are also giving in JSON. See, most of them will give in JSON. There are total Disney, right? This TeamViewer, these people are using currency layer for currency conversion, live currency rate, right? Documentation. You have to go to the documentation, you have to read how the currency layer, how the response. We'll do this. This is live integration that I'll be doing. They are giving the response in XML, sorry, JSON. I told you in the real time, see, this is how you'll get the response. What, by looking at it, you can understand it's a JSON because bracket, key value, key value, key value. I told you mostly JSON, 99% JSON, right? Right, I will say XML API example, right? So XML, you will get your response in XML format, right there. I'll take some example. I'll find some sites from where we can integrate. I'll show you live. They will give you the data in this format. They will give you the data like this. That's what we'll be doing in tomorrow's class, deserializing. Till today,
complete option to JSON.
Sorry, once again, repeat that.
XML complete option to JSON or both are required?
Both are separate, no? You can give the
No,
data in, right? There are in India, two languages is common, Hindi and English, whichever state you go. Whichever state you go. English, and here also in IT world, integration, data transfer can be done in two, either in JSON or in XML. It's not that that is the substitute of this. XML is a substitute of JSON. JSON is a substitute of XML. No. Is XML is linked to JSON? No. Is JSON is linked to XML? No. Can I choose both? No. You have to choose only one. Right? Whenever you're speaking, either you speak English or you'll speak Hindi. If you start mixing both and then you start speaking, the other person will break your head. Right? You are a Telugu guy. You have gone to Bengal. What you will do? Which language will you speak? Either English or Hindi. That's it. Can you use mix both and use? No. So here also same thing. We don't use mix. Clear now? Whatever the doubts you're trying to ask or you're thinking to ask, everything answer is one. Over.
yes, sir.
Right? So next class will be deserializing. That means data will be given to you like this. You have to convert it back to account or contact. Somebody is giving me data in a XML format. how can I take the information out of it is the question. How can I take the information out of it? Right? How can I take the information out of it? I'll have so many XMLs, I keep on deleting those. Somewhere XMLs will be there in my real time. I'll show you those also, but that will show my all office information, so I don't want to show that. But getting it, you will get a data like this. From this data you have to create contacts and account. From this you have to create a contact. You can now copy this and you can paste in, right? You can, how can I give this? You want the data in XML format, notepad. You see that mostly you will see, right, upload in XML format. And now I will say file, save as, right, data.xml, 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 save. Now I can give this file to everyone. Hey, right, data.xml, where is that? Data.xml, data.xml. This is the file, XML, data.xml doc. I'll give to everyone. In this, if I want to share my file, if I want to share my data through a file in XML format, I can give like this. I want to share the data in a JSON format, I can give in that way. Right? Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes, sir.
non-programmers, right? Remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching. You're here for what you're learning. So, right? Okay. Next class, we will see deserialization. Deserialization. How to deserialize a document. How to deserialize. Right? How to deserialize. Right? That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. Okay. Take care, guys.